When you rent an apartment in the city and have a large number of power-consuming household appliances, such as electric heaters, tumble dryers, and refrigerators, the electric bill's going through the roof. It's so frustrating. Don't worry, DIY your balcony solar system with SigenMicro and cut down on electricity bills effortlessly. Just mount the PV panels, then plug SigenMicro, the panels, and your home outlet together, totally plug and play. Then use the powerful My Sigen app. It automatically detects your SigenMicro device, and you're all set effortlessly. That's how you turn your balcony into a green energy hub. SigenMicro adopts the industry's most advanced DAB topology, achieving an industry-leading 97.5% power generation efficiency, letting you make the most of every ray of sunlight. Power from SigenMicro feeds straight into your home's electrical system to power your appliances, cutting grid reliance big time. So you use more green power and slash those electricity bills. Calculated with an 800-watt balcony photovoltaic system, an average annual effective utilization of 1,079 hours, and an average annual electricity price of 0.39 euros per kilowatt hour. This saves money and helps the environment. Win-win. But wait, there's more. SigenMicro has IP67 protection and multiple safety features. Come rain or shine, it's tough, reliable, and built to last. SigenMicro for balcony solar. Slash power bills. Embrace green living.